Hello, Eve here from careersbyeve.com with another pro tip when interviewing. It's not uncommon to get a tickle in your throat when you're interviewing, and there's nothing worse than trying to suppress it or cough throughout an interview. So consider having a cough drop available. Let your interviewer know what you're doing. Go ahead and take that and just pop it into your mouth and continue on with that excellent interview that you're giving. For this and more pro tips, visit careersbyeve.com, and the best of luck on your interviewing.